Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create perfume promotional post using custom shapes. Create a new document for perfume promotion, then draw the perfume bottle using custom shapes. Add cap and spray elements using small rectangles and ellipses. Apply gradient overlay for realistic reflections. Insert circular highlight shape on edges. Group shapes for better editing workflow. Add background shapes to frame the bottle elegantly. Then apply inner shadow to simulate depth on bottle. Insert text layer for perfume name and tagline. Align shapes and text using small guides. Apply soft drop shadow for